لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. Respected President, teachers, judges and all the audiences, we all are familiar with the most famous proverbs. Time is money and time is gold. Time has great importance in the life of human being. Humanity has always been anxious with time. The passage of time, the measurement of time, and the scientific quality of time. Time is a blessing on all of us. We should concentrate on how we use time according to Islamic perspective. Allah Almighty has clearly stated the value of time in Quran. We should make the use of time wisely to increase our faith in this life and hereafter too. Mr. President, we have so many examples from the life of beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to know about the importance of time. Below we will discuss some of them so we can take lesson and can utilize our time in best manner. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to call on Muslims to take the initiative to good deeds before any obstacles arise. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Lose no time to do good deeds before you are caught up by one of 7 calamities awaiting you. A starvation which may impair your wisdom, a prosperity which may mislead you, an enmity which may damage your health, and all that which may harm your senses, a sudden death, the Dajjal or doomsday, which is indeed the hardest and most bitter." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said in one of his hadiths, "Take advantage of 5 matters before 5 other matters. Your youth before you become old, your health before you fall sick, your wealth before you become poor, your free time before you become occupied." The whole hadith is about the limited nature of life and of the time is running out. It's before too late. Dear brothers, if we don't manage our time properly, we will be totally in loss. That's why time management is very important. Every day comes to us a new day. Wa akhiru da'wana.